Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will cooking chili eggs for our lunch today. So this is especially from Indonesian spicy food from Asia. So you will be enjoy it and learn from this. If you want to try in your house, check this out. We have oil and 8 eggs, chicken eggs, and we fry them. Stir well. And then when the eggs is brown, we will take the eggs into the plates. Take the eggs into the plates. So delicious for lunch. Here we have chili and also onion, garlic, and then stir well in the wok. Onion and garlic and little bit sugar, so it will be not so much spicy and will be middle in our tongue. Don't forget for add chili too for the delicious food in the lunch. Stir well, guys. Stir well. Thank you for watching, guys. So this is we have one type of food for our lunch: eggs, chili, and sauce. Little spicy with onion and garlic is done. Happy lunch, everyone. Thank you for watching. See you.